Joining us now for a conversation is actress Sri Leela. Ma'am, you've come for the jersey unveiling ceremony of the Indian Pickleball League. So this is now becoming the country's official pickleball league now, the Indian Pickleball League. How do you see this league propelling the popularity of pickleball in India, which is already rising among the youth population?
I think it's something very exciting because I heard it's the proper first official pickleball league, and to know that India and there's so many teams here, right? So they're all the sport is only growing at this momentum. So I think I'm very happy about it, and the 5 teams that we saw today, and I'm wishing all of them all the very best. I haven't picked my team yet, but I'm here to support the sport, and yeah, probably I'd try playing it too.
So, again, my question was about like, have you started playing pickleball yet, or are you going to like play it further?
I think I haven't, to be very honest. I did not get the time yet, but in the near future, I do see myself playing.
Okay. Do you have experience with any other racket sport like tennis?
Yes, I did play tennis when I was younger, but
Okay.
I played badminton a lot, so and hockey, so they're a
Okay,
bit
so a
different.
lot of things. Okay, when did you first start, coming across pickleball, and through which medium?
So because I was shooting a lot in Hyderabad, so a lot of my friends, a lot of younger, the youth were always like, okay, 6 to 7, we're playing pickleball. And that's when I was like, oh, what is this? And then I think it was probably that sport that picked up the fastest, right? So then I was intrigued and then I Googled it and then
I
I
think
figured
especially
it out.
after COVID, it is
Yeah,
seeing a
yeah, like
massive.
massively, massive boom.
Okay, and also like a final question, I think a lot of people who are playing pickleball at the moment, they also see it as a fitness option. Like
Yeah.
they think like it's a sport, but it is also helping them with their fitness and their health routine. So do you also share a similar point of view, and what is your take on that?
Like I felt like sports for me was something I was extremely inclined towards when I was younger, but post that I lost touch with it, to be honest. But I do want to get back, and I see pickleball as a wonderful form of cardio. So I think it'll be great. Like you have lots of footwork, and it's also a paddle. No, it's nice. It's easy. The best part is you don't have to be in a particular place to play. So I think I'll enjoy it.
We wish you, start your pickleball journey as soon as possible, and you
Yes.
have the best experience while
Yes.
doing so. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you.
That is actress Sri Leela, and she is telling us that of course she's yet to start playing pickleball, but then she's planning to do that very soon. And when she does it, she's very confident that she's going to love it, and she feels that there is no looking back for pickleball in India at the moment because the sport is only growing and growing.